we guide you through how to cancel your Slack subscription. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack on your desktop browser and sign into your workspace account. Click your workspace name in the top left corner, then go to Settings and Administration and select Billing. Inside the Billing section, look for your current subscription plan and click Manage or Subscription Details. From there, select Cancel Subscription or Downgrade Plan, depending on your account type. Slack may ask you to confirm your decision, so just follow the prompts until the cancellation is completed. Make sure to review your billing cycle because your paid feature may remain active until the end of the current subscription period. If you're using Slack through Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel directly from your mobile subscription settings instead of Slack itself. After cancellation, check your email for confirmation message to make sure everything went through successfully.